This was the date. This was the laptop. This was the phone. And this was the moment. No doubt, I would call it my life's best moment because I've struggled a lot. I got a lot of success in my life. But the moment I hit 1,000 subscribers, that was the most happiest moment for me in my life, and I mean it. But let's know, how did it start? When did it start? And why did it start? So let's travel back into the past. So tighten your seatbelts because we are moving 3 years and 364 days back onto 16th October 2019, where I was studying in this university, and this was the room I was living in, this was the hostel, and this was the degree I was pursuing. As I was doing bachelor's in civil engineering, so I relied on YouTube really much to search different questions and queries. Then one day I thought, how about I create a YouTube channel where I will be sharing civil engineering concerns, and that will help my juniors and all the people who are watching YouTube videos. I was searching for the name. So after a lot of struggle, I came up with the name Teach Me Print. Now why is it that? Why not some other name like civil engineering, anything like that? Because I'm such a type of person who likes to share whatever he learns. If I learn anything, then I like to share it with other people. Therefore, I called it the name Teach. And why the word friend? Because I'm a friendly person and I like teaching in a friendly manner. That's why I came up with the name Teach Me Friend. So that's the history behind that name. So it was 16 October 2019 when I first created a YouTube channel named as Teach Me Friend. And I had 0 subscribers. I was not a celebrity. I had nothing to show people like I'm someone who can do it. So initially I started getting 1 to 3 subscribers from my WhatsApp chats and from my friend zone. So after around about 1 month, I was uploading videos and they were getting quite a considerable number of views. So the videos were basically civil engineering questions and lectures that I usually got at university. So I would come back and I would make recorded videos of those lectures, including some of the things that I would learn on my own. So it happened for a month, and after a month I got around 45 subscribers. Yeah, it was huge success. So now what happened to get those initial 100 subscribers? That was the milestone that I had set in my mind, initial 100 subscribers, and it is quite difficult to get initial 100 subscribers, but now it's quite easier. Back then it was quite hard. So what I did, there was one of my juniors who was quite a social person who had a lot of contacts in his WhatsApp. So I told him, if you bring me 50 subscribers, then I'll take you to the restaurant and you would like to eat whatever you want to, I'm ready for that. So he had 24 hours to bring those 50 subscribers, and there was one of my friends who acted as an umpire, like if he did it, then together we will go out and eat something on my money. Yeah. So what happened, after 23 hours that person did his job and he brought in 60 subscribers instead of 50. So it was the next day it were 106 subscribers, and that was really happiest moment for me. Then we went out and as decided, I paid for it. That's how I got my 100 subscribers. So what happened after that? I was not getting subscribers. Then I became the focal point of people. Like, this person has started a YouTube channel and he's doing these sort of things. So I felt like odd one out there, and the motivation of creating a YouTube channel started fading down. I felt like as if I'm doing something wrong, as if I should not do it. Like, I'm not perfect, I don't know much of the things, my professors are not doing it, so why am I doing that? These questions disturbed me, and literally that did. So these thoughts just didn't give that motivation to pursue. So I started slowing the process and narrowed down it a bit. So I was unable to upload videos regularly because of those thoughts and due to my university circumstances. Although I was not that much into the studies, but still there were some things I was unable to find time for that videos. So people would ask me, you've started a YouTube channel, oh you've studied that, and I was feeling embarrassed. So I was not explicitly expressing that I have started a YouTube channel where I'm uploading these sort of things, because the camera was not good, the video quality was not that much good. So there were things, and because of those things I used to keep it really private. and I didn't want people to mention it whenever I'm in a public place. So these were the things back then. Then I went back to my hometown Gilgit, where there was no internet facility. However, when I went there, and I still started making videos because we had the 4G system there, which was not that much good, but still you can upload videos on that. So I started making videos from Gilgit. So after some time, what happened, all my cousins came there and they started taking their online classes from that house. So I was unable to find a safe haven for myself where I would be quietly recording videos and I would be uploading them. So it was quite hard for me to find any safe spot. So I stopped uploading videos, and time went by and COVID-19 ended. So I didn't upload a video, and at that moment I had around about 150 to 160 subscribers. I didn't make any video till 2021. When I graduated in 2021, then I went to Karachi, and which is basically a city in my country, Pakistan. And I went to Karachi, and there I started searching for my job. So that was the period which was quite difficult for me because I was jobless. I had to earn and I had to make a living for myself. So I searched for a job, and in that pressure I was also trying to think about YouTube channel, because internally, deep down, I wanted to become a YouTuber. I wanted to become an influencer. I wanted to become someone who contributes to this society, to this digital world. Therefore, I was thinking like, what should be the transition? Because now I was not a civil engineering student. So what should be the transition? What should be the alternative of that channel? Like, what should be the niche of my channel? So after a deep thought, I said that maybe I should switch it with science and technology. So I switched that channel with science and technology in 2021. And I was trying to upload videos like how to record your screen using PowerPoint, or how to add this in words, how to add page number, like these sort of things, basic things which I already knew and most of the people already know. So what happened after that, 21, it was end of 21, okay? So when 2021 ended, I had a little bit of videos on my YouTube which were both combo of civil engineering and tech world. And then when 2022 came, April 2022, I decided to delete all the videos related to civil engineering. So what I did, pressed the delete button, deleted all the videos that were related to civil engineering. Now I had only those videos which were related to technology. So after 2022, I clearly got the idea that this channel is now dedicated to science and technology, where I'll be talking about tech world, where I'll be giving reviews of the products. Initially, I didn't like to give reviews, but gradually I'm learning them, okay? Again, I went to Gilgit in May 2022. When I went to Gilgit, then again, I was busy in some other activities, some other social activities. So I was unable to give proper time to my YouTube channel. And again, it stayed stuck in 2022. And 2022, by the end of 2022, I thought now I need to integrate some other thing to this channel, because by then I had started learning this freelancing thing and I was learning to make money online. I was learning to make dollars. Okay, that thing I clicked my mind that maybe I should integrate online earning and technology. It should be a blend of both, but I should be talking about freelancing and I should be talking about tech world, like these sort of things. I'll be talking about these things and I'll be talking about freelancing. So by the end of 2022, I decided that I should integrate both freelancing and technology to this Teach Me Friend channel. And in 2023, I added some other thing to my YouTube channel, as it was the evolution of AI, and this abrupt change in the artificial intelligence just gave me the idea that maybe now I should integrate three things: technology, artificial intelligence, online earning. So these three domains came into my this niche, and I started uploading videos on that. Then I started uploading videos, and I had decent amount of subscribers. By the end of 2022, I had around about 200 to 300 subscribers. Yeah. So now the things that I did wrong. One thing I did was sub for sub. I would message people on Facebook. You find groups where you message people and you say, I have my YouTube channel, you have your YouTube channel, I'll subscribe you, you'll subscribe me. Okay. So that was something very embarrassing. I don't like that. It was really demotivating. After you subscribe someone and they subscribe you, it feels like you are cheating on yourself. So don't do that, okay? If you're a beginner, never do it. It will not give you that motivation to move on. Just don't do that. Work on your content. Then what happened, I also gave 1000 rupees to the people who are giving you the subscriptions. That was also something wrong. I shouldn't have done that. And that person just bring in 500 subscribers one day, the next day 500 subscribers gone. It was all my money went into vain. So I wasted 1000 rupees just because to get 1000 subscribers. Never do that as well. Then what happened, when I got like 300 subscribers in April, around about April 2023, then I got the idea to upload shorts. So I started making shorts and I started uploading them. And interestingly, those shorts were getting views. They were getting views and they were giving me subscribers. So within days I was getting subscribers. And when I got 500 subscribers, that was like, yeah, I am doing it. I'm halfway there. So it was an interesting moment for me. Then I started uploading videos, long videos and shorts as well, both blend of both. So after like I had set a deadline for myself to get 1000 subscribers in December 2023, but I got my 1000 subscribers on 26th September 2023, which was an interesting moment for me, and that was my life's best moment. So all through this journey there were a lot of inspiring moments, there were a lot of depressing moments. There still are depressing moments because I'm not still earning from this channel, but I'm giving my 100% and I'm learning to talk. I'm learning to talk to this camera, because initially I was like, I can't talk to camera, but now I can talk to camera and I can talk it really good, right? Okay, I'm learning it. Okay, so don't mind if I make a mistake, and English is not my primary language, so I may make mistakes, so please avoid them and help me learn. Okay, so if you want to get videos related to tech world, or related to artificial intelligence, or related to online earning, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and we'll learn more in the future. So this was the journey of Teach Me Friend. Thank you.